Hey there, party enthusiasts! Get ready to light up your night with our 156-piece glow-in-the-dark party supplies. Perfect for kids aged 8 to 12 and adults alike. This incredible party pack includes 100 neon glow sticks with connectors, finger lights, light-up headbands, butterfly bracelet connectors, glow bracelets, light-up glasses, and more, ensuring endless fun and creativity for everyone. Whether you're hosting a Halloween bash, a neon-themed birthday party, or a festive New Year's Eve celebration, these vibrant glow accessories will add a splash of color and excitement to any event. With easy-to-assemble pieces and premium batteries, our glow sticks and LED toys promise to keep the party going all night long, making them ideal for camping trips, pool parties, and even weddings. Unleash your creativity by using the connectors to craft unique bracelets, necklaces, rings, or even glowing balls and flowers, and watch as your guests are amazed by the dazzling display. Perfect for a variety of occasions and ages, these glow-in-the-dark party supplies are sure to create unforgettable memories and fantastic photo opportunities. So, why wait? Transform your next gathering into a glowing extravaganza and let the good times shine.